Okay, moving on to question 9. 9a. So here we have an irregular shape. We know that this is 5, 8, 4, and 2. So usually what I like to do is I would like to use the bigger shape minus the hollow shape. So the bigger shape here is just a rectangle. If this is 4 and 2, this will just be 6. I just add that up. So the area of this shaded region can be represented by 8 times 6, which is the entire rectangle, 8 times 6, and then minus the hollow part, which is in pink. This will be 4 times. To figure out what this is, I can just look at the opposite side. This will be 8 minus 5. So this must be a 3. So just minus 4 times 3. So I always like to use the bigger one minus the smaller one. 8 times 6 is 48, and 4 times 3 is 12. And then I subtract them, I get 36. And this will be in centimeter square. It's in centimeter because all of these are in centimeter. Square because area is in square units. 9b. Same idea, the area will just be the bigger one, subtract the smaller one. We're trying to find the area of this shaded region. So 10 times 8 is the bigger one, minus 6 times 4 is the smaller one. 10 times 8 is 80, 6 times 4 is 24. 80 minus 24. So 10 minus 4 is 6. We borrow 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. We get 56 centimeters square. C. So this time what's hollow is going to be this and that. So we have a rectangle and a triangle that I need to subtract. If this is 10 and this is 6, this must be 4, because 4 plus 6 is 10. If this is 12 and this is 7, then this must be a 5. And of course, this will also be 4, and this will also be 7. So now I can say area is the biggest one, 12 times 10, the entire rectangle, minus the triangle. Triangle is base times height divided by 2, minus another small rectangle, just 7 times 4. So 120 minus 5 times 4 is 20, divided by 2 is 10, and 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, so feel free to use your calculator for these problems. So 110 minus 28, we get 82. So 82 centimeters square. And D. This is a trapezoid. So we do have a formula for the area of a trapezoid that I'm going to show you now. So area of trapezoid. So this will be A, B, this will be H. So the area of a trapezoid will just be A plus B. It's like the top base plus the bottom base divided by 2 and then times the height. So that's the formula that I'm going to use here. Okay, so if this is 8, this must also be 8. So I can say that this entire base here is 14. And then now I can just use the formula. Area will be the top base, 8, plus the bottom base, 14, divided by 2 times the height. The height is 6 of the trapezoid. 8 plus 14 is 22, divided by 2 is 11. 11 times 6 is 66. So we get 66 centimeter square. Okay, that's it for question 9. I will see you in question 10.